How to delete a SoundCloud account permanently? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So in order to delete your SoundCloud account, you need to open SoundCloud in your desktop side. You will not be able to find any settings for deleting account in your mobile phone. So in order to delete account from your mobile phone, you need to open SoundCloud on your browser. For that, you have to go back to the home page and open up your any browser. Once you are here, you need to tap on the search bar and search for SoundCloud login. And you need to tap on this first option. You'll be opened up to a browser over here. After that, you'll be able to see the home page of SoundCloud on your browser, and you can see my account has been logged in. Here is my profile. So in order to delete your account, you need to go to your settings. For that, you have to swipe a little bit and you'll be able to see the three-dotted horizontal line at the top right hand side. You have to tap on that. From over here, you have to tap on settings option. Once you are on the settings, you'll be able to see various options at the left hand side. At the bottom, there is a delete account option with a feed letter. You have to simply tap on delete account option. And after that, here you'll be able to see the descriptions about delete account, where you have to choose your reason for deleting your account. You can choose any of the options and you can check mark by yes, I want to delete my account in all my tracks, comments and steps. And once you're done, you can go for delete my account option. And you can see your account has been deleted. You can simply tap on OK, got it option. And this is how you delete SoundCloud account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.